As of October 8, 2024, a total of 1,354 duplicate electors have been identified in the electoral rolls, while 23,161 names have been marked as expired. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari announced this during the schedule release for the special summary revision of the electoral roll, which aims to finalize the list by early January 2025.
Period for filing of claims and objections will be from 29th October till 28th November for 1 month, and then special campaign dates in between where the BLOs have they will be present on their booth and people can approach there also. So special campaign dates are the 15th and 16th November. And similarly 21st and 22nd November. So 4 special campaign dates will be there at the polling stations.
The National People's Party (NPP)